I gonna do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.
What a go on you know? Why? All the people big up with the self now, boy. I tell you. So, the people who hear what go on in Spanish Town now. Alright, some people still don't understand the pattern. You don't hear what's going on in Spanish Town there now, my people. Eh? About the dope up there to a store now. Outside, I tell you what people, I tell you. Boy, sometimes we have to take bad things, make joke, but people, me you see a dope in the Spanish Town right now. A ex-tailor man, right? He was a tailor. You understand? But them say the tailor passed away a couple years ago. 3 years ago, he passed away while having SAX. You know what I mean, people? Well, my people, right now them say, yo, the tailor now, a man's spirit get haunted up in a Spanish Town now. And anybody who walk past the tailor shop on a Wednesday, be a big stone a fly off of them. Boom, boom, boom. From tree, from back of the shop to everywhere. He said that, right? A neighbor who live close to where the tailor shop are there, people. Right? Because the man live close by, so the man and the tailor used to have a good relationship because he was the one who go over there and find the tailor. You know what I mean? They didn't have the shop because them say most of the time the tailor don't spend time in the shop. Him not go home and them thing they have in your wife still. Say my want to go there when he call his wife and they will stay to his wife see him now. People. You know when the wife go there and see him in the state and know say that and that thing did that do while him dead and know say no she did that do it with people. Them say the wife get mad now. You understand? And she can all I close them from him here now and come dash for him in there. Well, people, so now the man them decide to go and say right now the shop there and away, so the lady go say to the brother now that the neighbor control the local place. Because you know say, but I love you have a local shop there for go around here. Say man say, alright, no problem, man, go clean it out and do it. So he say, yo, the lady go come there now and the lady go around and burn out the shop with them things. Because he ain't get no trouble in no store in a fling before and burn out the shop and clean him out and cleanse it out. Well, people, them say, whole poopa you know, pie, whole poopa dopey man you know. Get serious and now say like people can take over in place because say like the man want in place there in a piece, you know, want nobody come the people. You understand? Boy, them say now the man start get big trouble. Every Wednesday I be a big stone and chop as metal like boom, 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 boom. Well, people, all me can say is, right? Me know the spirit out there for real, you know. But me never hear about that one yet. The big stone that them a fling and people who say yo, them never believe in them thing about now them mind change because them can't believe what them a say. Them never know. Because you know so some people are going to speculate so maybe a him or that stone or somebody around the house and that stone. So man saying carry people go over every yard now. And me say no come look man. And when them come look people, them say show them around the back of the house to the side of them house everything and say look here. No stone in my yard and say me look a picnic them, I look a baby them. Them can't fling them the big stone the people. You get me I say? You see stone splash out in the road and everything, you me I tell you, boy. So right now people are fear when them a walk past them. Man a walk them a take it to the other side of the wall, them now go near Papa Peter shop. You understand? Because boy, them say them the big stone now we a fling people and the normal stone them. So all me can't tell you that place boy. Jano, the dopey is on. And not the first time you see dopey in a Spanish town I get trouble, you know. And not the first. But you know when you link to now people, you tell you the honest truth. Me not believe in them. You know what I mean? I know say you have a devil out there, you know. But me not believe in a dopey or them something there. I believe in say the devil out there and the devil will come in all type of form of things to trick me. But me not believe in them the thing the people. You get me I say? If me see them the thing that go try to come, you know what I do? I play the blood of Jesus against that man. You know what I mean? Any demons where you come from go find yourself there. You understand? Because Jah works power more strong, you know. Once you have faith and believe in them, and that's how the whole thing say. So they do anything of people, boy. Just a dope story today with the whole link. So big up on yourself people, enough love, enough respect. Peace, see there. Up on the road, me there. Clocking what? 80 kilometers per hour right now, people. Now I'm gonna fast on that. You understand? Them say a 40 if I go still, but me a clock 80. Enough love people, enough respect. See all the police they pass my roadside out there. I don't know what I'm do. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, my people. Big up, blessings out.
What them a gonna do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.